Locksmith Charlie, specializing in automotive lockouts. Locksmith Charlie also handles residential rekeying, lock repairs, strike adjustments, installation of locks and deadbolts, opening of houses when locked out. Automotive services include opening, making first key when all keys are lost, rekeying to a new key. He also has the GM BATS keys, as well as transponder keys for many vehicles. For complete 24-hour mobile service, please call 602-717-5397. Keys. You may also call toll-free 1-888-717-KEYS 5397 or visit locksmithcharlie.com.